Hello and welcome. My name is Gabriel Mullings, back again with another origami tutorial, and today we'll be making an origami bookmark. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry it's so small, but that is what it looks like. Today we'll be using a very small square sheet of paper. If you don't have a paper cutter at home, you could always try using scissors, but this is 2" by 2", so it's gonna be really small. But the reason being is because it's gonna be a bookmark, and it's called a page corner bookmark, but it's just a bookmark for short, because it'll essentially go on the corner of a book. So without further ado, let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to valley fold the bottom half of the paper to the top half of the paper. Now it's important to start with the paper exactly as shown. So, see if I can try and hold it up for you guys. There we go. You're gonna crease with your finger, and when you're done, it should look something like this. Now, remember, it's important to keep it exactly like this. So I call it excess paper, but the loose paper is at the top. Bottom edge is a perfect line. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to take one of those flaps, one of the excess paper, and we're folding the corner here all the way down to somewhere around the bottom edge. There we go. And it should look something like this. Alright, next we're going to take this corner here and we're going to fold it all the way to the top. When you're done, it should look something like this. Now you'll notice that it's kind of becoming another diamond shape, because when we're going to do it to this side, which I will do right now, so fold the top to the bottom, or the bottom to the top, and look, it's kind of like a diamond with some flaps here. Okay? Now, this step is very important. So what we're going to do is first you're gonna notice that it kind of has some layers, and we created some kind of pocket space here. So the model's like this, paper's like this, right? And look, there's a hole. Hello. You're gonna open it with your finger. You can use a pen if you want. What we're doing is we're taking these pieces of paper and we're just putting it inside. Look, it's like it's hidden, you know? And what we're gonna do is do that same thing to the other side. Like I said in my previous videos, origami, pretty consistent. So what we're gonna do to one side, we're probably gonna do to the other. Now, you could stop here and you can still have, your bookmark if you like the flap like this. But if you want it to be where there's no flaps, keep watching, because we're going to get rid of this flap. Now what you're going to do is going to flip the model over, and we're going to valley fold this piece here all the way to the top. There we go. Now open that same pocket of space. Hello, pocket space. And we're taking this part here, this big triangle, and folding along this crease we made, we're just going to neatly tuck it in. There we go. It's a hat for your thumb. But no, it's a bookmark. If you still don't get how it's supposed to work, let me demonstrate with a book here. I have with me a stamped book by Jason Reynolds. If you haven't read it, it's a great read. But let's say, for example, you want to stop at chapter 15. This line here is your indicator, and what you're doing is you're just crossing it like that. Now, the bigger the paper, the more sort of like pocket of space you'll have. So experiment. Try with different size paper, and you can let me know which one works better for you. But that is the origami bookmark. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and goodbye.